the first part of the new solar update is I got this ditch, this trench all dug. The pipe isn't put together yet. It's just laying in it. All the way up to there with the help of Mr. Nero, our oldest. And he has learned how to swing a pickaxe and done a good job. And so now I've leveled it all out and got it ready, and that mess right there is going in it. That's a lot of cable, but I'm just going to run it piece by piece instead of trying to pull it all through, since I don't have the pipe put together yet. So I should have that done here pretty soon. But the new setup is coming. All right, second part of it. I got all the cable pulled through, and now we're going to start with the burying of all of it, which goes a whole lot easier than the digging of it. But we're getting there. And we are all done. I just got to cap those where the cables are coming through. But she is complete, buried, walkable. All of it is done. Now that means that I can pull lines through when I want to, without having to have them stretched across the yard and mowing, worrying about moving them and all that kind of good stuff. Plus they last a whole lot longer. That section right there I haven't, because I'm gonna change some of that out anyway, because I'm gonna put in a safety cutoff for both of the arrays, because they're going to be reconfigured in high voltage. So there's both of those arrays. They're both going to be about 350, 375 volts a piece. So I wanted that kind of voltage to be underground. So that part is done.